We want a democratic system.
Laban stalwart Peping Cojuangco, an uncle of the president, confirms the party's support in an exclusive interview with CNN Philippines Thursday afternoon.
Because Binay and I have been together since 1978. We were together in our fight against the dictatorship.
In 1984, Laban formed a coalition with Partido ng Demokratikong Pilipino of former Senator Nene Pimentel to form the PDP Laban. Binay was also a member of PDP Laban until early 2014 when he left the party due to internal problems. Laban is now unilaterally supporting Binay, as PDP leader Coco Pimentel is unlikely to support Binay. Pimentel is leading a corruption investigation on Binay, members of his family, and his allies. Laban's support for Binay's United Nationalist Alliance is a step towards the formation of a so-called Rainbow Coalition that may include Lakas CMD, which is led by former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. They're just waiting for Binay to formalize the new alliance. Although Binay has been overtaken by Senator Grace Poe in the latest Pulse Asia survey, Cojuangco is still confident the vice president will win the presidency. He says surveys can be manipulated, especially if the leading candidate has the backing of the ruling administration. Cojuangco also doubts President Aquino's promise of clean 2016 elections, noting that there are still 8 million unaccounted votes in the 2013 midterm elections.
They counted, final count is at 39 million votes. In the end, it's only 31. What else can you do if regardless of how many voted, the result will be different?
Regardless of what happens in May 2016, Cojuangco says the bailiwicks of the founders and original members of Laban 1978 can still deliver votes for Binay.
They're not very vocal, they not show off, but they command a good size of votes in the country.
Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.